Right guys, welcome back to the channel. In this one I'm just going to be showing you how to fit a wheel arch kit to your Mk4 Caddy. So let's go ahead, let's take a look. So before I even think about fitting anything, the kit does come with some alcohol wipes for cleaning. Obviously you've got to make sure I wash the van first and it's bone dry. And then I'm just going to go around it first with some panel degreaser. Even though it is clean, it's obviously got some old polish or anything on it. You don't want any of that on there, or any silicone or anything like that. So I'll just put some on a cloth, clean one, and just wipe high enough where it's going to go. All four, obviously, arches. Going to wipe it all down thoroughly, and then I'll still use the alcohol wipes on these afterwards as well, just to make doubly sure. So the panels, this is for the left side where the sliding door is, they're all labelled which side they're for. So this is a 9-piece kit in total. So obviously you've got your lower one that'll go down on there like that, and then you've got your arch will go on there like so. And then you've got, see, a small piece there goes on your side loading door. So like I said, the kit actually comes with some alcohol wipes. That's alcohol wipe, what you'd use for cleaning off any sealant, polish or anything like that, silicone first. And then it also comes with some of this adhesion promoter. So once you've cleaned it all down, and before you go and stick anything on, you just wipe this on the area you're going to stick the arch to first, and leave it about 10 minutes, depends on how warm the weather is outside, for it to go off before you stick anything on. So when you're happy, you use this. We'll put this on there before we stick anything onto it, just to help it stick. And then you obviously pull your tape off and we stick it on. So I'm just going to use the alcohol wipe over it first, just to make doubly sure. So now we've done the alcohol wipe, I've got the adhesion promoter, so we're just going to go over it with that. I'll do obviously the rear and the front arch at the same time. So we'll let the adhesion promoter go off for a little bit. Now with the tape that's on the arches, you might need a blade like that just to pick up the edge of it, and also just to pick up the edge like that so you can fold it over. So you just peel a little bit up on this top one, on this edge here, just peel a little bit up and stick it up. So it's like that, so it's when it's on there, when you stick it on, you can grab hold of that and then peel it round. See, the other ones you can take those off, because you're not going to get these ones, so you can peel these off. But this one you can get it, just leave the tab sticking up, and the same on the other end. Peel this end up and just leave it sticking up in the air. Just get that there, just peel, just get it like that and just peel it up, leave it stuck like that. Now when it comes to the edge just here, there's nothing on there, so I'm just going to put some adhesive here out of the gun on these bits here, so it's actually stuck there so it can't come away, or also stop any dirt or anything going up in there, or water, so it's sealed around there before I stick it on. So that's the rear arch all on there. See, the fit is perfect, like that. And then we've done the front. Like that. Fits just as good. Obviously the wheels aren't staying, they'll be going. So I'll move on to the other side, repeat the same process on that side. So this is a few days later and the arches have had time to go off now. So they're on there, properly stuck on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit some mud flaps on here, on the front. And obviously you're going to put some different wheels on it as well just to finish it off. But the arches, they fit really well. No trimming required or anything. So we've got a genuine set of front mud flaps to go on with the fittings there as they come, like that. So these should fit well with those arches on there. So we'll get these put on. Right, there you go. That's the arches on, got the mud flaps on there. That's how they finished off, like that. Perfect fitment. So this sliding door this side, so you got that extra bit, the other side is obviously just one piece. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more van related content. Till next one, see you then.